Looking to stand out behind the decks while enjoying top-notch sound and comfort? The HC-CP08-G Accessory Pack is made for DJs who want to showcase their unique style without compromising performance. Featuring vibrant green ear pads and a matching coiled cable, this kit transforms your HDJ-CUE1 headphones into a bold statement piece that's as reliable as it is eye-catching. I've tried several headphone upgrades before, but swapping to the HC-CP08-G kit was a game-changer. The polyurethane leather ear pads fit like a glove, offering all-day comfort even during marathon sets. The wireless Bluetooth compatibility means I'm not tied down to one audio source, giving me freedom to mix from multiple devices safely. Plus, the coil design isn't just stylish, it keeps the cable neat and tangle-free, so I can move freely without worrying about snags or damage. What really seals the deal is the L-type mini jack. It's built for durability, reducing strain on both the cable and my headphones, which means fewer interruptions and longer gear life. Whether you're playing a small gig or a packed club, this accessory pack ensures your sound stays consistent and your style stays fresh. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with personalized ear pads and a sturdy, vibrant cable, the HC-CP08-G is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to bring your DJ performance to the next level.